Just repotted these plants and I took them out of the garage to warm up and start growing for the summer. Took them out of dormancy, so let's see if we can give any of these guys a snack yet. I use freeze-dried bloodworms mixed with water, and it's pretty nutritious. Pretty gross looking. Get some water. Only need a little bit. Perfect. Boom. A nice paste consistency that we like. Gotta pull out my chair for this one. And just a little bit. Starting with this one. And let's just... Alright, pretty solid. Let's do a big one. Ooh, pretty nice. Thanks for watching.